Hey, this is Joel Lobb, mortgage loan officer here in Kentucky. One of the biggest questions I'm getting from homebuyers right now is this: what can I actually afford in today's market? And that is a fair question because buyers are seeing home prices, mortgage rates, taxes, insurance, and closing costs, and it can get confusing really fast. So in this video, I want to break it down in plain English and show you what payments can look like at different Kentucky home prices. Now, before I go through the numbers, keep this in mind. These are estimates only. Your actual payment will depend on your credit score, loan program, interest rate, property taxes, homeowners insurance, mortgage insurance, and whether there are HOA dues or flood insurance. But this will give you a realistic starting point. Right now, Kentucky's median home price is around the upper $200,000 range. Kentucky Realtors reported the April 2026 median sale price at $279,900. So a lot of buyers are shopping somewhere between $200,000 and $350,000. Let's look at some examples. For these estimates, I'm using a sample FHA loan with 3.5% down, a 30-year fixed rate around 6.5%, estimated Kentucky taxes, estimated homeowners insurance, and estimated FHA mortgage insurance. Again, not a quote, just a real-world educational example. At a $200,000 purchase price, your minimum FHA down payment would be about $7,000. Your estimated full monthly payment, including principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and mortgage insurance, may be around $1,600 per month. At a $250,000 purchase price, your minimum FHA down payment would be about $8,750. The estimated full monthly payment may be around $1,990 per month. At a $300,000 purchase price, your minimum FHA down payment would be about $10,500. The estimated full monthly payment may be around $2,380 per month. And at a $350,000 purchase price, your minimum FHA down payment would be about $12,250. The estimated full monthly payment may be around $2,775 per month. Now here is the part most buyers miss. Your mortgage payment is not just principal and interest. When you buy a home, your payment usually includes 5 major parts: principal, interest, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and mortgage insurance if required. And depending on the property, you may also have HOA dues or flood insurance. That is why 2 homes with the same sales price can have very different monthly payments. For example, a $275,000 house in one Kentucky county may have lower taxes and insurance than a $275,000 house in another county. The sales price may be the same, but the payment may not be. That is why I always tell buyers, do not shop based only on the home price. Shop based on the full monthly payment. That is the number that affects your budget every single month. Now, let's talk about cash to close. The down payment is not the only money involved. You may also have closing costs, prepaid property taxes, prepaid homeowners insurance, escrow setup, appraisal fee, and other lender or title charges. But there are ways to reduce that cash needed. For Kentucky buyers, we may be able to look at FHA, VA, USDA rural housing, conventional, or KHC down payment assistance. KHC currently has down payment assistance up to $12,500, repayable over 15 years at 4.75%. That can help eligible buyers reduce the amount of money they need to bring to closing. But it is important to understand it is not free money. It is a second loan and it has its own monthly payment. On $12,500, that payment is roughly around $97 per month. So yes, down payment assistance can help you get into the home, but we still need to make sure the full payment fits your budget. Here is my advice if you are buying in Kentucky right now. Do not guess. Do not rely on an online mortgage calculator. And do not assume the payment is affordable just because the listing price looks good. Before you make an offer, have a mortgage professional run the actual numbers for that specific property. That means looking at the purchase price, taxes, insurance, loan type, credit score, down payment, seller concessions, and estimated cash to close. That is how you avoid surprises. The goal is not just to get approved. The goal is to get approved for a payment that makes sense for your life. So if you are looking at homes in Kentucky and you want to know what the payment would look like before you make an offer, Send me the address and the price. I'll run the numbers and show you the estimated monthly payment, estimated cash to close, and what loan programs may fit best. This is Joel Lobb, mortgage loan officer here in Kentucky. I help Kentucky homebuyers compare FHA, VA, USDA, KHC, and conventional loan options. Call or text me at 502-905-3708, and let's run the numbers before you go house shopping. Payment examples are estimates only and not a commitment to lend. Actual terms depend on credit approval, loan program, property taxes, insurance, interest rate, and underwriting requirements. Equal housing lender. Joel Lobb, NMLS number 57916. Company NMLS number 1738461.